Hello everyone, it's CiCi here. Today I want to show you 5 ways that you can store onions for much longer, for weeks, months, or even a whole year. Let's get started! There are many types of onions out there, and generally speaking, the onions that store well are the ones that have thicker outer skin, a higher sulfur content, and a lower water content. For example, these store-bought yellow onions are great for storage because they have thicker skin. On the other hand, sweet onions may not last that long because they have thinner skin and higher water content. To store the onions, we can put the onions in a mash bag, paper bag, or basket. And then we're going to place it in a dark, dry, and cool place with good air circulation. The ideal temperature is between 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 to 10 degrees Celsius. Just remember, it doesn't matter what you do, don't store onions next to potatoes. Onions will go bad much faster next to potatoes. So by doing so, the onions will stay fresh anywhere between 3 months to 1 year, depending on the types of the onions and their original conditions. After an onion is cut, don't peel off the skin. Just put it in a Ziploc bag and try to push out as much air as possible. And seal it. You can store in your fridge crisper. It will stay fresh for 2 weeks. Peace! After you slice, chop, or Cuban onion, you can put it in an airtight container and store it in your fridge. So if you cut everything up, it will only be able to stay fresh in the fridge for 1 week. After you sliced, chop, or Cuban onion, you can put it in a thin layer in a Ziploc bag. You can also write today's date on it and store them in your freezer. Whenever you need to use the onion, just take out the portion that you need. It will be good for stir fry, any cooking dishes or soup, but it won't be good as salad because the texture of the onion will be softer. However, it will continue to be fresh for the next 6 months. For some reason, you must put whole onions in the fridge. It could be you live in a hot and humid place. So here's how you can do it. Wrap each onion in paper towels. Place them in a paper bag or cloth bag, something light, so it will have good air circulation. And P.S. this method is perfect for sweet onions. Place the bag in the fridge's crisper. And by doing so, the onion will last 1 to 2 months. And I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. Also share this awesome video with your friends and your family. I would love to stay in touch with you on Facebook, Instagram, and also YouTube. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you have any other awesome ways to store onions or preserve it, comment below as well. I'll see you again next Friday. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Bye bye!